Hello students, welcome to the session. I hope you all are doing good. Our topic for today's session is alphabet in pictures. We are covering up the letters in the alphabet series. Yet we have done A to H. In today's session, we will cover the 4 letters I, J, K, L. I, J, K, L. Let us start the session and understand about these 4 letters. This is letter I. I says E. I, E, iron. I, E, igloo. I, E, ice cream. I sounds E. I sounds E. I, E, igloo. I, E, iron. I, E, ice cream. I know you all love to eat ice cream. I, E, ice cream. This is letter I. This is letter I. Now, let us understand how to write it. Letter I is very easy to write. These are in cursives. This is capital cursive I. This is small cursive I. Let's understand how to make it. You first have to start from this line, go it upwards and take it downwards like this. This is your capital cursive I. Capital cursive I. This is small cursive I. You just have to make 2 curves with a small standing line with a dot on the top. This is small cursive I. Capital cursive I, small cursive I. I sounds E. I sounds E. I, E, iron. I, E, iron. I, E, igloo. I, E, ice cream. I, E, ice cream. You know which letter comes after I? Yes, it's letter J. J, this is J. J, J, jug. J, J, joker. J, J, jeep. Letter J. And letter J has many objects. J sounds J. J sounds J. J, J, jug. J, J, joker. J, J, jeep. J sounds J. J, jug. Joker, which makes us laugh hard. J, J, jeep. This is letter J. J sounds J. J sounds J. Now, let us understand how to write J, J. This is capital cursive J. This is small cursive J. Let's understand how to make it. Just start from this point. Take it upwards. Now take it downwards and make a curve. This is capital cursive J. Capital cursive J. This is small cursive J. Start from this point, come down and go like this. Small cursive J with a dot on top. J sounds J. J sounds J. J, J, jug. J, J, joker. J, J, jeep. J sounds J. After J, there comes letter K. K sounds K. K, K, kite. K, K, key. K, K, knife. As you can see, students, we have a colorful kite which starts with letter K. K sounds K. K, K, kite. K, K, key. K, K, knife. All these are with letter K. Letter K. This is letter K which comes after letter J. J के बाद आता है letter K. Let us understand the writing. Yes, this is the writing. This is capital K in cursive, small k in cursive. Let's understand how to write it. Start from this point, make a slanting line like this. Now start from here, bend it down. This is capital cursive K. Capital cursive K. Now it's time to write small cursive K. Start from this point, come down, make a curve closing it, and like this. This is small cursive K. Small cursive K, capital cursive K. This is in capital cursive, this is in small cursive. K sounds K. K sounds K. K, K, kite. K, K, key. K, K, knife. You know, next is letter L. L sounds L. L, lion. L, lamp. L, lemon. L, lemon. All these are with letter L. This is letter L. Letter L. L sounds L. L says L. L, lion. L, lamp. L, lemon. L, lemon, which tastes sour. This is the wild animal and the king of the forest, lion. And this is lamp, which gives us light. Light is also with L. L, light. L, lamp. L, lion. L, lemon. L sounds L. Now, let us understand the writing of letter L, which is like this. This is our capital cursive L. This is small cursive L. L in capital, L in small. Both are in cursive letter. Let's start it. Make a curve, come down, cross it like this. This is capital cursive L. Capital cursive L. Small cursive L. Small cursive L. Capital cursive L. Small cursive L. That's all, students, for today's session. I hope you all are now aware with I, J, K, L. In today's session, we learned all these 4 letters. I sounds E. J sounds J. K sounds K. L sounds L. That's all for today's session.